Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord screen share audio not working on your computer. So what you want to do is open up your Discord app or the website which you're currently in and click the user gear in the lower left hand side. That's going to take you into all of these settings. Scroll down and look for voice and video. Now, under this section here, you want to start with the voice section, right? And ensure that you have the correct input device and output device currently set. So in my case here, you can see that I have input for the microphone, which is a Shure, and the output is also set. So if you have different things, you can actually set that to ensure that it is correct for you. Then the next thing is to go to the video section, right? And scroll down to where you have the option mentioned about user advanced technology to capture your screen. This has to be on, guys. So you want to ensure that this is turned on. Otherwise, you'll have problem to record your screen while you're on a call. So go ahead and ensure that this is turned on. Then try again to ensure that the issue is no to try again to see if the issue is solved. If you're using the desktop application, go ahead and try to use the web version as well to see if that solves the problem. Double check the settings as well to ensure that is actually set as well and see if that actually fixed the issue. And of course, once you're in the call, you want to go ahead and try to ensure that you check the settings there, everything is enabled, and try again to see if that solves the problem. And I hope this solves the problem, guys. Thank you guys for watching and looking forward to see you in the next video.